If you've played tennis, you likely have been given this advice. Play 1 point at a time. This expression communicates a simple yet important idea. You have to play tennis in the moment. This concept is called mindfulness, and it has applications in both our personal and professional lives. Mindfulness means focusing on the present rather than dwelling on the past or predicting the future. You may be familiar with those grand prize drawings where you don't get the prize unless you're on location. What is true about the drawing for a grand prize is also true in life. You have to be present to win. Here's a process that I've used in coaching others that I hope you will find useful. It helps you spend less time regretting the past or fearing the future. Release. Letting go of the past and focusing on the present is necessary to perform at your best. If you give your attention to what you cannot change about yesterday, it's difficult to focus in on what you can change today. Releasing the past allows you to restore your strength and reinvigorate your motivation. When you let go of the past, we also let go of excuses. Now, we all know someone who has a victim mentality today because they choose to relive disappointment and failure from their past. By placing blame and finding excuses, we relinquish the power over our present circumstances. We all face adversity that's been outside of our control. However, we can control our reactions to past experience, and that determines whether we see ourselves as a victim or a victor. Refocus. Now that you've closed the chapter on the past, you can give your attention to the present. A present state of mind is valuable to anyone who wants to perform at their best when it matters most. When you're totally focused on what you want to achieve, your desire, it's going to be stronger than your disappointments. When you play 1 point at a time, it doesn't mean that negative thoughts and emotions won't creep in. However, this mindset gives you a way to redirect your thinking towards ideas that are more positive and productive. Respond. The ability to live in the moment and respond based upon your current circumstances is one of the most important factors in your success. We choose to be either reactionary or responsive. When we react to something, it happens quickly with little awareness, and we relinquish control over our words and our actions. On the other hand, responding is calm and thoughtful. It gives us a feeling of being in control. Reacting to circumstances tends to be automatic, where responding is intentional. Remember, you have to be present to win.